Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry pakora. Gather all ingredients and prep onions, green chilies, cilantro, chickpea flour, and spices. Finely chop vegetables and measure spices to keep flavors balanced. Start by mixing chickpea flour with water to a thick, spoonable batter, then fold in vegetables and herbs. Keep oil hot but not smoking before frying small spoonfuls until golden and crisp. Serve hot with chutney or yogurt. Whisk chickpea flour with cold water, turmeric, salt, and a pinch of baking powder to add lift. Stir until smooth and thick enough to coat a spoon, then taste lightly and adjust salt. Fold in sliced onions, chopped cilantro, and green chilies, coating them evenly with batter. Let the mixture rest for 10 minutes to hydrate the flour and meld flavors, then restir briefly before frying. This resting step makes crisper pakoras. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. For long drives after curry night, Little Tree's Black Ice keeps your car smelling fresh and bold. It is a small, strong air freshener that lasts and smells great even after spicy meals. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to medium-high and test with a small drop of batter to ensure bubbling around edges. Fry small spoonfuls in batches, avoid crowding, and turn once until both sides are golden brown and cooked through. Drain on paper towels and keep warm in a low oven if needed. Serve pakoras immediately with tangy tamarind chutney, cooling yogurt, or a squeeze of lemon for a bright finish. Garnish with cilantro for color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.